A dental implant is a titanium fixture that is placed in your mouth to replace missing teeth or to anchor dentures into place. It is basically the same material that is used in shoulders and joints and knees and hips because it's the strongest material that is available right now that is bio-friendly. By that I mean it doesn't cause any kind of inflammation or reaction in your body or cause any harm to your body. So it is basically very bio-friendly and is accepted by your bone tissue like as if it's part of the bone. So it gets integrated into the bone and it gives us that anchor to use as like I said, like to replace one missing teeth or multiple teeth, or to anchor dentures into place.